And you can't do that.
That's fine.
I thought it was fine.
Yeah.
You feel me? But when they don't have your best interest sometimes,
Yeah.
that puts you in a bad predicament.
Nah,
You
facts.
feel me?
Yeah.
And I was one of those ones that got put in that bad predicament. So I honestly I try to look out for anybody that needs help. You feel me? Any artists, upcoming artists, Brooklyn, Bronx, Harlem. It don't matter. You feel me? If I got the connect that you need, if I got the that I could give, then hey, fuck it. I'll give it.
That's real, man. Hey, I appreciate you spitting that shit real quick for me, dog.
Of course. Thank you. You feel me for your time. Go ahead, finish your joint.
We here, man. We here. Yes,
Hey,
sir.
hey, shit, man. I appreciate you for coming through rocking with me too, dog.
You already know the vibes, man. I'm gonna tap in with you. Give me my IG. You feel what I'm saying? We about to like the fuck in this here, man. We got big things this year. Yes,
Man,
yes,
It's
yes.
your boy Penny Lane Pablo, and it's the Hitmakers Podcast, and we out.
Wow.